In this section, we'll investigate the topic of linear regression. A least squares line is the best line that represents all points in a scatter diagram. What it does is it tries to minimize the differences between points and the line itself and then come up with that equation of the best fit line statistically. So, first of all, let's just take a look at an example of a least squares line here. The example is y hat equals 1.5x minus 1. So we want to be able to identify the slope of the line. The slope is 1.5 and the intercept is negative 1. And we want to graph this line. It's just a little review here. So we want to start our graph at the y-intercept. And then we ought to be able to graph using the definition of slope. And the definition of slope is it's the rise over the run. So for every change in x, how do you change in the y? So when x increases by just 1, y will increase by 1.5 units. That's what the 1.5 tells us. So to graph this line quickly, we can just go over 1 unit and then go up 1.5 units. From that point, we can go over another unit, then up 1.5 units again. It's a way of graphing a line from the intercept and the slope. Anyway, just connect those. Then we have our regression line graphed.